on the shot clock. Clark, a deep three. Look at it.
Let's rewind and watch it one more time before we start. Cool, yeah? Let's head to After Effects so I can show you how to make this simple and easy special effect. Duplicate your layer by pressing Ctrl or Command plus D. Click the pen tool so we can create a mask around the basketball. Once you create your mask, press M on your keyboard to bring up the mask properties. Now right-click on your mask and select Track Mask and follow what I do. If you're lucky, your mask will track good. We are not lucky in this scenario. So how do we go about fixing our shitty mask track here? Easy, my friend. We go old school and go frame by frame adjusting our mask. Just watch and follow along. If you're confused, it will make sense here in a second. Just double-click on your mask to be able to drag your mask where it needs to be with your mouse. Page down on your keyboard is the shortcut on how you go to the next frame also. Now let's add the Saber effect to our mask clip. Make sure to follow me when we go to adjust the Saber settings here. We are looking for a subtle but yet kick-ass flame here. This is why we created a track mask. We need to change the Saber core type to layer mask, so we don't just have a bright blue-ass light streak down our video. Okay, so I'm gonna show a wrong effect here and make our basketball engulf with too much fire. So don't follow this part. I just wanted to show you a different Saber effect here. Remember, subtle is better than too much when it comes to editing. Hit toggle switch mode and change your layer to add. This is important when using the Saber effect. The preset on Saber I do use on the video intro is called Fire though. I do show that effect right after this. The main part for you to pay attention to here is changing your clip's blend mode to add so Saber doesn't make your video just a black screen. This hot preset mode does look cool though. It's not necessarily wrong, so to speak. I was wanting a more subtle look was all. So that is the main reason why I didn't go with this effect here in this scenario. Follow me here if you want your effect to look just like mine did in the intro now. Our clip layers blend mode is already in add, so we just need to adjust the Saber effect settings and add a basic keyframe here. Just watch and follow along. Click the stopwatch icon to set keyframes. Then hit U on your keyboard so they show on your timeline. Then highlight the keyframes and hit F9 on your keyboard to ease the keyframes for a smoother animation. All that is left for you to do now is pre-compose the mask and original layer together by pressing Ctrl or Command plus Shift, and congratulations on learning how to use the Saber effect.